Alright, good morning. Today you guys are going to answer some questions to check for your understanding. So, your Google Doc looks like this. It says, answer the following questions by choosing one of the answer choices. Last week we learned about health and skill-related components of fitness. I want you to take the information you learned and apply it to this assessment. Look over your old notes if you need to. So, question 1 is the ability to use your joints in a wide range of motion. So it's either going to be A, balance, or B, flexibility. So you can either highlight your choice or write it off below highlighted, just so wherever I can see your answer clearly. Or if you want to just come down here in a different color and write A or B, or if you want to write the full word out highlighted, whatever you want to do, I just need to clearly see your answer. Question 2, the ability to use your muscles for a long period of time without getting tired. Is it A, power, or B, muscular endurance? Again, just come down right here and give me your answer. And number 3 is the ability for your body to work together when you perform an activity. So that's either A, coordination, or B, agility. And then just come down here and give me your answer. So that's all you have to do today. It's just a little assessment for me to check to see if you guys understood what we did last week. I told you to read everything carefully and kind of get familiar with all of the terms. I gave you websites like this to go check and to learn all of the terms, like the 5 health-related topics and the 6 skill-related topics. So you're just going to take that and apply it to this, and just email me if you have any questions. And all your grades have been turned in if you guys want to go look at those and email me about anything that you see wrong.